Hi guys. Today I wanted to share with you the November 2020 card kit by Create and Inkspire, and also a little announcement for those of you who are members. So typically the kits reveal on the 10th of the month and for members, and then the 15th of the month for non-members. Well, they reveal on the 10th, but they're for sale on the 10th for members, 15th for non-members. And of course, the members get the 10% discount. But being it's Christmas themed, I figured we'll bump it up a few days. And these will be available on the 5th for non-members, or no, 5th for members, 10th for non-members. However, there's also something else going on. There is going to be a virtual event on December 5th, and it's an all-day event. It will be held through Zoom, so you will have to have the Zoom app in order to attend. But basically, I have a ton of prizes that have been sitting here and I need to give them away. And some of them are very, very big prizes, like worth well over $100. And I have lots of them. So I figured let's do a virtual event to celebrate the holidays and to kind of get through the hump of quarantine and all of that. Because I know in-person events are just not practical right now or even possible right now. So that will be on December 5th. The sign up is on the website now. Two ways that you can sign up. You do have to be a member to sign up. However, you can just purchase the event and that's it. And it's $9.99 for the event, and that's basically to cover shipping costs because I am going to have a lot of things to send out to you guys. And then if you are a member, you can also bundle it. We're going to be using the kit in some of the classes. You can use whatever you want though. So if you want to bundle the kit and the class, it's $39.99. So you're basically getting the class for half the event for half the price. Kits will begin shipping on the 10th of November though, even if you purchase them right now. But I will link it below if you are interested in signing up for the event. There is going to be contests. There's going to be challenges. There's going to be classes. There's going to be just crafty chats. And of course, we're going to have an auction that you're going to be using fake money for, not real money, to win the fabulous prizes that we have. And I'm telling you, they are fabulous, and they come from all different companies, stamp companies, crafting companies, all of them. So I'm hoping that you guys can attend. There is a limited number. So just keep that in mind. If you're watching this several days from now, it may no longer be available. So let's take a look at what's in the kit in case you do want to bundle it. So first we get a snow marker. Some of you guys are really excited about this. I know in my Facebook group, I always kind of give them a little bit of a sneak peek of the kit and what's coming through Create and Inkspire and what's coming through my channel and all of that a little bit ahead of time. So they're super excited about this. A few people have never tried it. It basically makes snow texture with just the pen and a heat gun. And it's really, really easy to use and fun to add some texture and some great scenes for your cards. We also get glossy accents, which adds some nice shine to a whole bunch of different projects. We have a 6x8 stamp set here, and this is great for just one or two images or a whole scene. You can use all of them. We have Santa's workshop here. We have a little gift in the corner. We have some trees that you can decorate however you want. You can leave them plain or decorate them. We have the North Pole, a mailbox that says letters to Santa. We have a snowman, some snowflakes, and the sentiments are ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. You can put Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And may you be spoiled this Christmas. So huge, huge stamp set this month. We also have 5 pieces of pattern paper. We have some candy stripes. We have a plaid. We have some blue snowflakes. We have some silver snowflakes. I know it's probably hard to see on camera. And then we have some gold ornaments. And these are 6x6 single-sided. We have some vellum snowflake stickers that you can certainly add to a background. I like to put these on my envelopes, especially now. We don't want to be licking any envelopes. So these are a great way to kind of add some extra love to your envelopes that we sometimes forget to add. For the cardstock, we have no plain cardstock this month. This is all specialty cardstock. This is 8 by 11.5, not 8.5 by 11, 8 by 11.5. We have the white glitter. This is by Sizzix, by the way. We have white glitter. We have white pearl, which I know it's always hard to see on camera. We have a green glitter, a green pearl, red glitter, and red pearl. So those are the cardstocks that will come in the kit. This is the November 2020 kit. We also are going to have an add-on that will be available on the 5th, like I said, to members. And it's basically the pattern paper mixed in with some glitter paper. So you get 2 pieces of each. You'll get 2 pieces of the candy striped pattern paper, 2 pieces of the red glitter, 2 pieces of the plaid, 2 pieces of green glitter, the 2 pieces of blue snowflakes, blue glitter, silver snowflakes, silver glitter, gold ornaments, and gold glitter. So you'll get 2 of each of those, and those will be an add-on available on the 5th for members, 10th for non-members. So like I said, I will link the event if you are interested. Just make sure that you're logged in. If you're a member, just make sure that you're logged in before you go ahead and purchase anything, because you will get those discounts. And I will be back on the 5th with 5 cards with this kit. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.